Welcome in the kitchen. Today's a special day at our house. It's Mr. Andy's birthday. And I'm gonna start us some supper real quick, and then we've got a lot of other things to do, and we're gonna have a little party tonight. And I'm gonna bring y'all along so y'all can be at his party. There he is. What are you looking for, buddy? Gotta get him a bowl. He's gonna heat him up some leftovers from last night. All right. Here's some dried beef I've had up in the freezer for a long time. But it's still fine, it's just frozen. And I'm gonna put it right here in this slow cooker. All over the bottom of this. I've done this with y'all once before. This is the easiest thing in the world. See if y'all can see. All right, y'all can see. Anybody, we're gonna go get something to eat in a minute. Would you rather go to Pal's? Or do you want to eat this chicken, or do you want to go to Pal's?
Chicken.
All right, here's your spoon. Okay. Just put this dried beef all over the bottom of here. Just like this. There we go. It's all covered. Now then, I'm going to go in here with my chicken. This is still frozen. See, y'all, here it is. It's still frozen. Just now got it out of the freezer. Matter of fact, I'm going to have to run a little bit of water on it to get it, the bag to release from it. That's enough. Alright, got the bag to release. Thought it did, y'all. There it is. Pop that right there, right in the middle. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. I'm going to turn y'all back around here now. Just move y'all over. Y'all can see right in here. I've got sour cream. And I've got 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. I'm gonna get it all out, and I've got 1 can of cream of chicken soup. I'm just using this sour cream container to mix it up in, because you can use 2 chicken, 2 mushroom, 1 celery, 1 mushroom, whatever y'all want to use. Okay. I'm going to mix this all up good. Get it all mixed up good. Just like that. All right, bring y'all back over here now. Y'all see in here in the slow cooker. Right on top of this chicken. Put all this right across all this. And we like extra gravy. That's the reason I use 2 cans of soup and 16 ounces of sour cream. Right there about. Andy, you're gonna have to be quiet. There we go. Now then, one more thing goes on that. Some bacon. Y'all, some bacon. You need some good old bacon. Good old bacon. And I just lay it across the top here just like this. Several pieces. Just like this. Let's cover the top up with bacon just like that. How easy is that? Easy peasy, right? Easy peasy. Alright, I'm going to put the lid on it. We're going to let this sit and cook on high all afternoon. And when I come back, we'll finish it up and have our supper. Alright, we're back. Our chicken's done. Our rice is done. Look at this. It's been cooking for about 5 hours. Look at that. Can y'all see it, or is it steaming yet? There you go. You can see it. It is so yummy. So yummy. This is the easy peasy roll up chicken. This is the way that I do it because I'm not going to stand here and roll it like a crazy person. No, I'm not. I just throw it in there and let it cook. Let me get some rice over here and I'll show y'all how I serve mine. This is just plain buttered rice. Use minute rice, use any kind of rice you want. I just buttered and salted this. I did not put vegetables or anything in it. It's just plain buttered and salted rice in there. Let me get something to scoop me out a little bit of chicken and some gravy and all the yummy goodness. Let's see. This chicken should just fall apart right like that, because it's all kind of cooked together, but it's in pieces. Alright, there's a little piece. This gives a little piece of this bacon. Right like that. Some gravy. Maybe see if we can scoop up a piece of that beef off the bottom. I think it might have all cooked away. I can't find any of it, y'all. Scraping the bottom of the thing. There it is. There's me a piece of beef. I love chipped beef. Matter of fact, we're going to make chipped beef gravy sometime. If y'all have never had it, it is so good. Look at that. Turn it down just a little bit. Look at that. Doesn't that look yummy? Let's try a bite. Let's try us a bite here. Let's give us a bite of the chicken. It's hot. A little piece of the bacon, some rice, a little piece of the beef. We want to get it all, don't we? Move y'all back here. Okay, now we got it all right here. Or we did have. Okie doke. Now then, we've got a bite of everything. I'm blowing on it because it's hot. Yes, it is. One of my favorites. One of my family's favorites. Quick, super easy. I love Crockpot meals when I've got a lot of other things I have to do that day. Because you throw it in there, it takes about 5 minutes. And then it's done. You don't have to stand over it. It's quicker than any 30-minute meal on the stove. It's a 5-minute Crockpot meal. And this will feed a crowd. It really will. Well, that's going to be all for this one. You all remember, as always, like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.